So we have a power outage. And so Christopher's running around with the flashlight, which is good. I mean, the rest of the house is just dang dark. But not sure if daycare is going to be open or not. Need to probably check social media. But yeah, heard those thunderstorms and it was raining really loud, so I was out. I was asleep. I didn't hear anything. But it's gonna be one of those days. One of those days. So it's been raining a lot in Houston, and we've had thunderstorms.
More like a mini hurricane.
Yeah, we're like totally flooded. We have a power outage in our neighborhood and at our house. We haven't had power since, man, probably
Millennials.
midnight. So we're actually on our way to go see Chris's parents. So, because they have power. But yeah, maybe I can get some more footage of we just saw like a flooded construction site and a parking lot. There's just no way. So yeah, and plus both of our jobs, like there was power outage there. Christopher's daycare was closed because of the power outage. So yeah, there's a lot of people that are just, oh no, what do we do? We have no technology. We can't watch anything unless you have, well, you can charge your phone in your car, which is what we did. So, anyways.
Isn't that what garages are for?
Yeah. You open up your garage, have some chairs, talk to your neighbors.
Well, I wasn't really interested in talking to the neighbors.
Well.
But I did charge the phone.
Anyways. Yeah. Woo!
Man, it's going to be difficult to make it to 1960.
Oh. We're going real slow here.
Oh, you don't see that on the feeder?
Oh.
It's up to the fire hydrant.
Oh no. Oh, look at this guy saving the day. Yeah. That is all flooded. All right there. You see that?
Hey, stayed out of the luxury dealership. They must have some like quality drainage there. Or to be flooded everywhere else around. They're like, we have $200,000 cars here. We cannot flood these out.
Oh, I bet. See, if you have a massive truck, then it makes sense.
I think it's too deep. You just float the truck.
Yeah. Well, unless you have one of those ones that have the knocked down.
The problem is the wheels don't have enough weight, so your truck will just float if it's too massive.
So, I thought dogs were the only ones that terrorize squishy balls, but apparently this victim here was done by this man right here. Yeah, you did this. Why'd you do that?
Okay.
You don't know why? You don't know why?
Mom?
Yeah, the ball. You ate it.
Where?
Yeah.
Ba?
Yeah, the ball, you ate it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, just got in. Apparently, Sasha decided to eat all the treats that were in this backpack. We had it against this door, and she hadn't touched it in a couple days, and I didn't think there was really anything in it. So came that, and I was like, ugh. Christopher, what are you doing? Yeah, that goes there. Anyway, so got in, saw that, and then usually when we come home, she runs straight to the back door to be let out. And as I was walking over here, what did I find? More wrappers. So apparently there was a lot of snacks in that bag. And we took that bag because we had gone to the Japanese festival downtown. And we were like, oh, let's bring some snacks. I was like, oh, let's bring some snacks. So just in case on our way there, you know, Christopher wouldn't be hungry, we'd have snacks and we didn't have to pay really anything extra. So I didn't know those snacks were still in there. So I just found out that Christopher is biting the kids at school, and he only bites whenever he's like frustrated or one of the kids takes a toy away from him. And unfortunately, I've never really had, or we've never really, you know, disciplined him. I mean, we would tell him no, but you know, I didn't think that he would do it at daycare, which makes me really sad. So we're looking and researching into ways to help him, you know, cope with what he's feeling inside. And right now he just doesn't have the voice to say, you know, hey, that's not fair, or, you know, I'm getting frustrated. So anybody that could give me tips, that would be greatly appreciated. I've never had to deal with this before, and it's, I mean, even with all my cousins, this is not something that I remember even seeing. So, but it just really makes me sad, and I want to get this resolved and figured out. But like I said, if you have any tips or tricks or anything, let me know. Comment below. Be greatly appreciated.
So cute. Ooh. That's funny. Diaper cake. That's so gross.
And for the games.
Sorry. What are those?
What? Things you have to do when you're on the road. When you're on the road and you have to change the diaper. So, but we had a long day, a really long day. We're almost home. Yeah. Just picked up Sasha from the vet because we went. You know, we went to a baby shower this weekend, and then we went to Chuck E. Cheese, celebrate a birthday party, and so there she is. But man, she got so excited to see me. My pants are covered in all of her hair. It's so gross. And now I gotta go off to work. Ah! What you doing? Are you looking at Dad? Is Dad outside? Yeah, he's doing the yard. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Chris is outside doing the yard. He's blowing all the leaves and stuff, trying to gather them up. So we're just in here chillaxing. Right, Sash?